A while ago I did a review of these solar lights. We're now back to have a look to see how well they've done. Let's zoom in a bit. Not quite as bad as I expected, but they've all got condensation on them. I'll come back later on when it gets dark to see how long they last. Here is a close-up. You can clearly see this one is almost full of condensation. As you can see, all four of them have now come on. We'll come back in a while and see how they're doing. Here we are, just about half an hour later. As you can see, they're not doing that well. It's up to you if you want to buy solar lights, but it's been my whole conclusion, whichever set I've tried. During the summer, when you don't particularly need them, they last for ages because obviously they get lots of sunshine. But in the winter, when you really do need them, not these ones are doing much good, don't last long at all. As always, thanks for watching. If you want to help support the channel, please buy me a coffee